Sha-Phawn, pronounced like the material, and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I make videos all about health, beauty, and fashion. And today I'm doing an unboxing of my SnobLife Brazilian wavy hair. So if you're interested in watching that, keep on watching. All right, guys, so I'm going to do an unboxing of the hair that I got from SnobLife, but then I'm also going to show you how I take care of the hair when I make a U-part wig out of it. So this is the bag here, and I'm going to open it. Okay, so I end up getting 4 bundles of the Brazilian wavy hair. And if y'all seen my channel before, you guys know that I definitely have my notes here. So I got 4 bundles of the Brazilian wavy hair. They're 26 inches, and they were $110 for each bundle. So SnobLife was having I think it was a Mother's Day sale, so it was cheaper than usual. I'll link their website below, but I've been wearing SnobLife hair forever. What else did I want to tell y'all? I ordered it on May 8th, and I got it May 11th, and shipping was $14.99. So this is one of the bundles. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let me just open one of them. Oh, also in the package it has this here. So let's see what this is. So it's my receipt, and then this little thing, want to be the first to know about secret sales. So a little sign up thing. They also give their own hair care tips, which is, I think, is cute. And then, hey Snob, we are guilty of making a mistake. Oh, so a return thing. Girl, if there's a mistake, you can return it and get an exchange and stuff. So that's good, because I don't think hair companies typically offer things like that, but they do offer product exchanges. Okay, so here is one of the bundles. So I'll open it. Okay. So it smells like the typical smell when I usually get the hair. I've been wearing this hair for at least since 2013. Smell like a little bit like corn chippy, but not like bad. So I am going to wash it. But as you can see, 26 inches. And I even have my roller here. So let's see. Because you know how some companies, a 26 inch isn't really a 26 inch if the ends are frayed. So let's see what this comes out to. Girl, it's really 26 inches. Can y'all see that? Okay, so here is the top, and then going down, 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 down. And then here's the bottom of the hair, and that's the 26 right there. Do y'all see the 26 where my finger is pointing? I know it's backwards. Maybe I'll do it this way so you guys can see. Yeah, girl, this is really 26 inches. And I'm not even like stretching it out straight. So it's probably like 27 inches after I straighten the hair out and stuff like that. So here's the hair. It's beautiful. I'll do a video showing the curl. But again, this is the Brazilian wavy. Isn't that beautiful? And then it's like a light brown color. Ooh, I got a piece of paper in there. Sorry. But it's a piece of lint that oh yeah, I did this. But there's no other like particles or anything in there. Here are the wefts, or the weft. This is good quality, y'all. Like, look at this. Look at that weft. And then the beard is minimum. So let me just unwrap it too, like, why not? Hey y'all, so the weft is about 55 inches in length, okay? So I typically get 4 bundles of hair to make a U-part wig. I end up using like 3 3/4 of the bundle. So I try to use as much of it as possible. And I'm going to make a U-part wig. So when I typically get the hair, because I have in the U-part that I made from SnobLife already, and I have a video on that. I'll link that below of my review of this year because I did cut it. But as you can see, it's like darker. So I did dye black, and I used the Clairol professional dyeing system. So this is the Soy 4-Plex Cream Permanent 1N color, and then the 20 Developer. Now, by no means am I a hairstylist, but I've been doing this forever just on my weave. I don't dye my real hair. So on weave, I'm like, I'll do the experiments, but on my real hair, I'll go to a professional. But for my weave, I'm okay with this, and it's been doing well. And so I typically do that when I first get the hair. But every 1 to 2 weeks, I do wash the hair. And these are the products that I use. I use Perology shampoo and conditioner. And then for my hair underneath, oh, well, actually, I'll do the heat protectant. So after I wash the hair, I always let it air dry. I rarely blow dry it. And I use the EAP heat spray to protect it against the heat when I flat iron it. And for my hair underneath, I just braid it and I grease my scalp with this light oil, Holistics Pure Argan Oil. It's linked in my Amazon store, so I'll link my Amazon store in the description box below, and go to Hair Essentials. And also in the Hair Essentials, you will find the needle and thread that I use for the U-part wigs, and the specific dome cap that I like to use. I specifically like this one with this man right here. And this is what the dome cap looks like. So that's in my Amazon store. That is my unboxing of the SnobLife hair. If you're interested in learning more about how I make my U-parts, I'll link that video down below of me making U-part. And I guess that's it. If you have any questions on the hair, link them down below. Why? These motorcycles really, let me see. Okay, so if you have any questions on the hair, put them down below in the comments. And if you use SnobLife hair, let me know your thoughts, because I love SnobLife hair. Well, specifically the Brazilian wavy. I haven't tried any of the other curl patterns. If you have, let us know down below in the comments. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Peace and love.